has recently become a developed economy. In your point of view, what should India do to come up with China? A. Develop IT sector. B. Develop manufacturing sector. C. Develop infrastructure. I would repeat my topic. China has become a developed country. However, India is still on the path of becoming a developed country. In your point of view, what should India do to come up with China? A. Develop IT sector. B. Develop manufacturing sector. C. Develop infrastructure. Please.
You know that China has the Indian government has
as it has made its manufacturing sector
Supporting
super
just
strong.
number 8 points, China
So that
is the
US
biggest manufacturing giant of the
US
globe,
is also-
and India is
US also
emerging,
depends on him
emerging
for
manufacturing
his
giant of the globe.
manufacture. Like washing
Recently,
machine,
IRDIS
microwave,
report
etc.
claimed that India will achieve $10 trillion economy mark by the bolsterization of manufacturing sector with a 32% share in the total economy.
Gentlemen, I want to
Right,
like to point to point as in the recent times.
economic development and the percentage increase
Many goods will transfer from
in the
India
economic
to
So
sector.
China is the biggest producer of electrical market on the world.
The increase
So to
of per
compete
cap-
with them, we
the
need to
6 month
develop
per
our
capita
manufacturing
increasing.
sector. If our manufacturing
The per
sector will
capita
develop,
increase of
then we
India
can
is not too much
produce
that
goods
China has
and goods
in
and
its
services
development-
will be effectively
development time.
used
Because
by
in
the
the recent
populous
time, the
country
China
of
has
India
17%
as well as the world.
India can
Which
also
help
develop in IT industry. As in IT industry, the upcoming AI and the boom .com has been taken place. With this, India can also develop its AI industry.
So India's
With this,
population
China will
is
be
about
in
1.5 billion.
science
With
engineering,
12 billion
with software
being the youth.
and other
So
things
with a huge
doesn't require
workforce, we
a
can
lot
use
of
efficiently
investment
our manufacturing sector
I think
and
India
help
should
the Indian
invest
economy
in
grow at a much faster
I
pace.
slightly
I have
disagree with
slightly
chess number one's point as
the 17% growth of China is due to this manufacturing hub. And in developing time,
I slightly
China,
disagree with chess number one's point as China is the greatest, biggest in the manufacturing industry, but they have invested a lot in the infrastructure.
I think
So
India
India
should
doesn't
have
has that much of
much to
capital.
India has
to invest
highest
in
number of working engineers, and engineers primarily work in manufacturing industries. So if we don't have manufacturing industries, then how will we make effective use of those available
I have
engineers?
slightly disagreed
Make
with
a
chess
proper
I
use.
slightly
We have
disagree with chess
developed
number
our
one
manufacturing
point. As
sector.
per
I think India should
manufacturing
invest in
industry,
degrees.
so
So how
a
it is
country should have a lot of capital to invest and make big factories. As small scale
Recently, our
factories
president
also
Draupadi Murmu visited South African countries like Algeria. So we see Algeria as our new emerging marketplace. To export them, we need more manufacturing industries. If we don't have manufacturing industries, then what will we export? So
I
first
slightly
I think
disagree
India
with
develop-
just number one's point. As these manufacturing industries are
in almost every sector because more
provide a lot, but the tertiary sector requires very less investment. With very less investment in IT sector, we can develop
Even if
a lot and
But
save a lot. But in
there is
chess
a
sector, manufacturing sector, a lot of but we can provide IT
Extending
sector
just
to the
number 10
western.
point for providing services using tertiary sector, we first need goods which will come from manufacturing
Yeah.
sector,
And
and
agreement
India
just
first need
number
to
one.
develop its manufacturing
Manufacturing
sector.
I slightly
that we can
disagree with just number one's point. As in Western countries, a lot of goods is being produced, and presently India is the biggest call sector, and it is a tertiary
Even
sector.
if
With
the-
that, the
According
India is
to
supporting
International Production Index, that is
supporting the
IPI,
Western countries
India is
and
presently
big industry.
standing at 5th position. But by 2032, we can become the largest exporter of the world with 25% share in
I
world
slightly disagree with
exports.
point-
That can come
point
only with a
because
proper,
now
good,
India's
well-developed manufacturing
per 6 months
sector.
is getting lower as it is 5.6 in past quarter, and in the economic growth of China in past 10 years, it is constantly increasing by 17 or 18%.
Extending
How
just
can
number
we-
8
how can
example,
we Chi- how
even
can we-
even during
infrastructure
Corona,
can be
India
made by
was
India?
standing well with its economic growth. Not only we were growing well, we were also supporting other countries by Operation Maitri. In such a scenario, we can see that we developed our own vaccines in a very short period of time. It wasn't possible if we have it well-developed manufacturing sector. With coming
Supporting
time,
just
we
number
need
one's
more
point,
challenges,
if
and for
India
that, we need more developed
invest in
manufacturing sector.
manufacturing industry and invest in technology, India can also increase as China and Taiwan example of Taiwan, they are producing the most number of
It is world psychology that we should
semiconductors.
focus
As
on our
semiconductors
strengths
are
and
being
develop
used in
our
all the
weaknesses.
industries
I
and
am
all the
manufacturing
markets.
sector
So India
already our
and
strength.
India can
India
also
has
make
engaged
to focus on.
India can support one particular market and make advancement in a particular field. Like
respective sectors.
So recently
recently in the
Morocco
time, we
invited
can see
India
that India
to
is-
develop
India is getting
its own
popular day by
manufacturing
day, as
units.
it has many
Morocco
multipolar
is a
friends,
hub of natural
which can be
resources.
Taiwan
We need to
and
make
many other
efficient
countries like
use of
USA,
it. For
which will
that,
have to
we
set
need
up
industry.
supporting just number
industries
one
for
point,
industry
as
in
Morocco has
manufacturing sector.
invited India, many African countries are also taking extending hand to India to support and
Well said,
make
chest number
using
10.
chest
It is a
number
growing
one.
market,
I am
and
also
growing
same as
market
India.
As
needs
in the
more
Assam-
services to be
as
produced,
in the
more
Assam
goods to be
industry set up
produced.
by
And the
Tata
latest
Air,
example
manufacturing
is
sector.
UAE. UAE as UAE also extended hand to make the IIT Delhi college in their own city. This shows that
So
other
India is
countries are
spending
also
about 27% of its
interested
budget
in India's
for the
technology.
for
With this,
the
we can
training of
sell out
engineers
our
which we are having,
technology
and also
and
having
use that
the largest number of
I am
engineers.
trying to say
Foreign
investment
engineers
because
to
get
all
jobs,
engineers are
we
not
need
there
more
in the entire
manufacturing.
population. There are many persons which do not have skill.
Let us take
technology
example of
IIT
IIT
sectors.
Delhi and
They are
IIT
also-
Mumbai.
they do not have
About
the basic
50% of
education.
youth
So the
want
infrastructure should be
to
made in
settle
the-
into
seeing
foreign
the
countries
presence
for
of the
better
person
job
who are
opportunities.
not too much
If we
skilled
have
in the IT
manufacturing
sectors
sector
also.
in our country only, then those engineers will not need to go to the foreign
I
countries.
slightly
So
disagree
we need
with
to
chess
develop
number
our
one.
manufacturing
Chess number one because there are not too much institution in the India so that they can make their children's or their population too much.
I slightly disagree with chess number
This is
one.
the
Chess
same
number
point,
three
chess number
point,
eight. I
as
am saying that
the
we don't have
foreign
institutions. We need more
foreign
manufacturing
industries,
sector.
most of the
industries.
people who are
And
going
for that,
outside
But the
are working in the
manufacturing
tertiary sector, and the tertiary sector is only supporting the
I think all
manufacturing
those
sector.
sectors will
So if
improve.
I think we are
India
deviating
develops
from the point. Because
tertiary
how we
sector,
can
IT sector,
catch up China.
that we can
So we
also
can catch up the China by taking the example of Taiwan as Taiwan.
So
is setting up
recently,
a
Air Force
industry in
Chief
Assam,
Amarpreet
which is
Singh in its
700
press
industry,
conference
which is
said
set up by
supporting
the
just number 8
China
point,
set up by the
India
Tata-
takes
our
the
Indian
example of
sector,
Taiwan
which is also
and
a
Japan,
part of
and both
manufacturing by
the
Tata.
countries have been supporting and putting investment in their technology. So if India puts
India's
investment in
going-
technology,
Also,
India can also
USA is
take
also-
advancement
and also
in
USA is
bringing
also
more
taking
most of the
countries.
India economic
China-
sector.
I think chess number
Now
3
this
wants to
will-
put forward such a point. So presently talking about the defense sector, India is among the top 15 defense exporters of the world, and to tackle growing countries like USA and developed countries
I am
already
chess
in
number
this sector
one
like
as-
France,
as
we
in
need to
the
develop
previous
our
year,
manufacturing
we
units.
have
Presently,
get
we will
100
take around
$100
6 years to develop 54 C-295 aircraft. This is very slow pace. To increase that, we need more
I think we need
to train.
in defense sector.
I think we need to train our students for the intern.
We have enough engineers, we have enough
So if we
students.
improve
The
our
statistics say that
manufacturing
we have
sector,
largest number of engineers.
it will
But
ultimately
what we don't
improve our
have
economy
is
because
manufacturing
we will
sector
have more
much developed.
money and
Our
more
Indian
economic
engineers are
development.
working at CEOs in different
Yes,
companies
I am
all over
agree
the
with
world.
chess number one.
I support
US
chess
is
number
also-
one point.
and yes,
I support
US is
chess
also
number one
supporting
point
made in
as,
India.
as the example of CEO of Google and CEO of Microsoft. These great minds which could have
Not only
supported
CEO,
Indian government
but
are working for
India
foreign labor as foreign
belong to
labor.
India.
If they have been working in India
Like
and
we
made
can see
big
the example
industries
like
like
Apple is-
Microsoft,
Apple is setting up
Google
its hub in
and
the-
Nvidia,
and
these types of companies
Now
which
in
should
the-
provide
now in the Mumbai, the
be
Apple
made
has
in India, they
made
could
a
have
great-
Done in the field
Well
of
said, Chester
semiconductor.
7. Continue.
We should.
Now taking the example of the Apple company, it's setting up its Apple phone in marketing and manufacturing industry in Mumbai. First in the Mumbai by taking its out.
Well
from
said,
China.
chess number 8. Apple is setting up its base in India because Indian rupee is weak as compared to dollar. So they see India as a hub
As
of
a
cheap
hub of-
labor. So we can use efficiently. That is not labor. That is the skill of our
skill
country.
of our-
That is the youth of our country. So we need to develop our own manufacturing sector so to provide them job in a more diligent manner, in a more respected
And after
manner,
setting
and to
up-
not
I
look
am
after
agree
them
with Chester
like a
number
labor.
one.
For
By
that,
increasing
we
this-
need
by
our
increasing the
manufacturing sector
we
to be
can also
developed a
increase
lot.
the-
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।